Supermicro Computer, headquartered in San Jose, California, is a global technology company that specializes in high-performance server, storage, and networking solutions designed for enterprise data centers, cloud service providers, and specialized workloads. Since its inception, Supermicro has built a reputation for designing and delivering modular, scalable, and high-efficiency computing systems that address the increasingly complex demands of modern IT infrastructure. The company's product portfolio includes rack-scale servers, storage platforms, and GPU-optimized systems engineered for artificial intelligence, high-performance computing, 5G, and edge computing applications. Each system is purpose-built to deliver both performance and energy efficiency, allowing enterprise clients to scale operations while managing power and thermal constraints effectively. At the core of Supermicro's strategy is the data center building block approach, which enables customers to configure systems using modular components tailored to specific operational needs. This design philosophy offers flexibility, allowing clients to optimize performance, power consumption, and thermal management according to workload requirements. Modular components can be assembled in configurations that resemble building blocks, stacked together in various combinations to deliver the exact solution required. This approach supports both air-cooled and liquid-cooled architectures and is particularly relevant for dense, AI-accelerated workloads, where heat dissipation and power efficiency are critical. By providing this level of customization, Supermicro enables clients to deploy computing systems that are both adaptable and future-proof. Supermicro distributes its products through a mix of direct sales, system integrators, value-added resellers, and OEM partners globally. Its operational priorities emphasize rapid product development, energy efficiency, and speed to market, reflecting the dynamic and evolving requirements of modern data centers. By maintaining flexibility in its production and sales channels, the company ensures that it can meet diverse client needs across multiple industries and geographies. This combination of modular design, technical expertise, and global reach positions Supermicro as a key player in the high-performance computing and AI infrastructure market. In terms of strategic developments, on January 11th, Supermicro announced a suite of AI-powered intelligent in-store retail solutions, developed in collaboration with a broad range of industry partners. These solutions are targeted at edge AI infrastructure, enabling real-time applications in physical retail environments. They include functionalities such as loss prevention, customer analytics, digital twin simulations, and AI agent operations. By combining Supermicro's edge computing hardware with NVIDIA's accelerated computing platforms, these systems are intended for production-scale deployment across retail environments, providing low latency and reliable processing at scale. The significance of this development lies in its expansion of Supermicro's addressable market. Traditionally focused on enterprise and cloud data centers, the company is now extending its reach into edge-driven AI deployments. Intelligent retail environments require hardware that is both robust and responsive, capable of handling real-time analytics and AI-based decision-making. Supermicro's modular edge portfolio is well-suited for this purpose. Furthermore, by partnering with multiple software providers, the company positions its hardware as a foundational platform for real-world AI adoption, ensuring that its solutions are applicable not only in cloud-centric deployments, but also in decentralized on-site applications. For investors, this signals that demand for AI infrastructure is increasingly spreading outward from centralized data centers to the edge, representing a potentially significant growth vector. Examining the company's recent financial performance provides further context. In its most recent quarterly report, Supermicro reported revenue of approximately $5 billion, reflecting a year-over-year decline of 15%. Gross margin contracted to 9.3%, down from 13.1% in the same period of the prior year. Net income decreased to $168 million, representing a 60% decline from $424 million a year earlier, equating to 0.26 per share. While these figures indicate pressure on profitability, the company's balance sheet remains robust. Supermicro reported $12.7 billion in current assets against $2.35 billion in current liabilities, yielding a current ratio of 5.39. This suggests strong short-term financial stability, with approximately $5 in current assets available for every dollar of short-term liabilities. Cash and cash equivalents totaled around $4 billion at quarter-end, providing a substantial buffer for working capital, inventory management, and operational overhead. Despite a solid balance sheet, the decline in earnings raises important questions about near-term catalysts and risks. One of the primary drivers of potential growth continues to be the company's long-standing partnership with NVIDIA. Supermicro is closely aligned with NVIDIA's next-generation AI infrastructure rollouts, positioning the company to supply fully assembled AI clusters built on NVIDIA's enterprise reference architectures and Blackwell GPUs. This represents a shift from supplying individual servers to delivering complete, integrated AI solutions, which can accelerate adoption in enterprise and edge deployments. In addition, Supermicro has expanded manufacturing capacity and liquid cooling support for upcoming NVIDIA platforms, including systems based on the new Rubin-based processor. Collectively, these initiatives indicate confidence in sustained AI demand and underscore Supermicro's positioning as a core platform for real-world AI deployments. Beyond the NVIDIA partnership, Supermicro has established a dedicated federal entity focused on providing domestically designed and produced data center systems for U.S. government clients. This initiative is strategically significant, as it positions the company to secure larger federal contracts, cultivate deeper agency relationships, and achieve more stable, long-term revenue streams tied to government AI infrastructure spending. Government contracts are typically associated with multi-year deployments and predictable revenue, which can help mitigate some of the volatility observed in commercial enterprise segments. However, the company is not without risks. Customer concentration represents a notable vulnerability. According to the most recent filings, a small number of clients account for a substantial portion of outstanding receivables. Specifically, 3 customers alone represent 29.5%, 19.7%, and 12.5% of total accounts receivable. High customer concentration introduces potential volatility in cash flows, as delayed payments, reductions in orders, or changes in purchasing behavior from any of these key clients could disproportionately impact revenue. Furthermore, pricing power in contract negotiations may tilt in favor of these customers, adding additional pressure on margins.